This 2025 Forest River Aurora Light 13BHX is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Post Falls, Idaho, 83854 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Post Falls. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River and features sleeps 4. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.